Today is Wednesday, Parashah Behaalotecha. One of the lessons that we learn from the Parashah this week is the great virtue of humility, of Anava. Moshe Rabbeinu was Adon HaNevi'im. He was the master of all prophets. He is the person who was able to be in Shamayim, in the heavens, for 3 times for 40 days and 40 nights. He brought us the Holy Torah. Yet when the Torah describes him in the Parashah that we'll read this Shabbat, it describes the greatness of Moshe. It says, "Ve'aish Moshe anav mikol adam asher al penei adama." That Moshe Rabbeinu was the most humble of all people that are on this earth. That is the greatness of Moshe. He was very, very humble. And we see this when his sister spoke about him. He didn't hold a grudge. Actually, he continued to be humble and even prayed for her healing. His humility was his greatness. And there is another place in the Parashah where we see the very important quality of humility. Moshe Rabbeinu was to choose 70 people to be the Sanhedrin, the high court. There are 12 tribes. If he chose only 5 from each tribe, there will be only 60. If he chose 6 people from each tribe, there will be 72. 6 times 12, 72. So how do you get 70 people that are supposed to be the high court? Being very fair to every tribe and giving equal opportunity to each tribe equally. So what Moshe Rabbeinu did, he took 72 pieces of paper. On 70 of them he wrote Zaken, which means an elder person, a person who will be one of the judges, one of the elders that will be a judge. And then 2 pieces of paper he left blank. And he asked each tribe, when they gave each tribe 6 people, each of these 6 people from each tribe, which should be 72, would draw a piece of paper from like drawing lots. There will be 2 people that will have a blank piece of paper. They will not be the judges. It was not him who chose them. He was just meant to be that way from Hashem. So there were these 2 of the 72. Their names were Eldad and Medad. They said, for sure we're not worthy of being the judges. So they stayed home. They didn't even go. And actually, they started prophesying in the camp because there were 2 of the 70 that were supposed to be there. Their humility showed their greatness. Since they were so humble, they felt they were not deserving of that position. Actually, there were ones that really deserved that position, and they actually prophesied and continued to prophesy afterwards. And here again, we see the greatness of humility. The more a person is humble, the more it's an indication of his greatness. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen v'amen.